Ready? Right,
This
is, well, you know, this is 8 matches in a microwave with a animal heart in the middle. And just gonna light, shit. Light the matches.
We should have had it.
Yeah, I was gonna say this isn't the best.
Students, what expect?
Yeah, as you say, it's on the video, but this is a student microwave, so we don't much care about it.
Alright, there you go.
That'll do.
It's like a cake.
Okay, it's going.
Someone got fire extinguisher. Stop it moving! Stop moving! Stop moving!
What's not moving?
This tray's not spinning anymore. It is!
Oh, no, it's not. Stop. Stop moving. Stop. Okay. Oh, that's okay.
Did you do what? No, glass on my eye.
That one's just going, son. My little Tracy's gonna get going in a minute.
Pretty bad now. Pretty bad.
This is crazy. Hey! This one's just, that one is going, son.
Turn the light back on and see it. Turn the light back on, light back on. Turn the light back on. My camera is starting purple, just like wiping it out.
Light turn back on. Please!